All right, we're in SketchUp. We will be creating that 3D sketch on the left. We need to work in meters or millimeters. I picked millimeters for this time, and let's get started. I'm going to start on the left because this looks pretty rectangular and easy. So it's 60 wide and 15 there. So 60 long, 15 wide. That's a rectangle that you can make. That is 60 by 15. So 60 comma 15. Oh, see, it came that way. So I'm actually just going to remake it. I'm going to write 15 comma 60. Whichever way, because you want it to look the same. Now it says that it is 45 tall. So push pull up 45. Next thing, from this edge, it says it's 60 to the center of this circle. And it looks like it's going directly from the center. So we can find the midpoint up here. Go, follow the colored line, 60. Might as well make the circles right now. It says that the smaller one has a diameter of 40. The bigger one has a radius of 30. It's kind of throwing different math at you. So diameter of 40, radius of 30. That means diameter, or radius 20, radius 30. We know SketchUp works with radius, so radius 20 and radius 30. Got that. Probably delete this now. It says that this has a height of 60, the circle. We can actually delete this middle part probably. It says it has a height of 60, so you can use push-pull. We don't usually use push-pull to pull down, but you can. Notice it goes underneath what we built, and that looks similar because that's how that's supposed to look. Now this line doesn't need to be here necessarily, but we're going to leave it here because it says that this has, well actually, it says that this over here, the part that gets pulled over, has a height of 15. So I'm going to measure 15 up here. I'm going to kind of pull it across the way just so, because that's going to end up getting pulled this way. Now we can work with this line. It says that the line here is going across and it has a width of 10. So what I'm going to do is this way, I'm going to write 5, enter, and go down. And then this way, I'm going to go 5, enter, and I'm going to go down. Now this line can be deleted. Now we're looking like we're ready to go. So I'm going to now pull this area out. So, and it doesn't look like we have to make any holes or anything. So you can do it right here if you want it to be perfect. If you want to just go quicker, you can kind of just pull it in. And instead of deleting, because deleting might get you in trouble, just hide these lines. So in this, we're kind of doing, I don't want to say cheating by any means, but we're doing it faster so that we can do more work quicker. Now this, it also goes right in. So I'm going to use push-pull again. It might stop you originally, but then if you go back, pretty much you just want it to be. Now what you want to really line it up with is with the circle. You want it to be just like that. So that's good. That's what you want to see. Now you might notice what you see over here. So don't really worry about that, especially when you post it. It's going to be open like this. So I know it might not be flawless on the inside, but you don't really have to worry so much about that. So right now this is looking exactly how we want it to look. We'll make the circles next. It says for the circles, it has a diameter of 16. Diameter of 16 means radius of 8. So just to make this, we're going to triangulate. So radius 8, enter. On this side, there's the same thing. Well, it actually triangulates all the way from the other side, which is nice. Now push-pull, an easy way to use push-pull to make it work is just click the corner where you want it to go to. So here, click the corner. And it goes right there. Excellent. So this is looking pretty good. I know you might notice some of these lines sticking up. Don't really lose sleep over that. Right now we're going for, does it look the right way? It says there's 30 seconds left. So what I might do, and I think that you should make a habit of doing this too, is throw some dimensions in there now, just so you can not have to worry about this. Diameter 16, this should be 10. This straight down should be 15, but it might give us a hard time locking in on it. So I'm going to ignore that one if I can. And so far we have our